Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho without meat. First, let's create a deeply flavorful broth. Start with a high-quality vegetable broth as your base. Then, roast one large onion, a 3-inch piece of ginger, and about 1 cup of sliced daikon radish until they are nicely caramelized. These roasted vegetables will provide a wonderful sweetness and depth to your broth. Simmer these ingredients for at least 1 hour to ensure all the flavors meld beautifully, creating a robust foundation for your meatless pho. Next, we'll infuse our broth with essential aromatics. Gently toast about 3-star anise pods, 4 whole cloves, and 1 2-inch cinnamon stick in a dry pan until fragrant. This step awakens their oils and intensifies their flavor. Add these toasted spices, along with 1 black cardamom pod, directly to your simmering broth. Allow them to steep for at least 30 minutes, letting their complex aromas permeate the liquid and create that signature pho fragrance. Now let's prepare the other components. Cook your flat rice noodles according to the package instructions. They should be tender but still have a slight chew. While the noodles cook, prepare your fresh toppings. Thinly slice 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 bunch of Thai basil, and 3 green onions. Arrange these alongside a generous handful of fresh bean sprouts, several lime wedges, and some thinly sliced chilies for a burst of freshness and texture in every bite. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious meatless pho. Place a generous portion of the cooked rice noodles into a large serving bowl. Carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged. Arrange your fresh toppings, cilantro, basil, green onions, and bean sprouts, on top. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a few chili slices if you enjoy a little heat. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful, and satisfying meatless pho.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.